Hey, you getting tired of searching around high and low for a solid notebook that's good for work and for play? Well, stop getting your watermelons in a bunch because we've got a great solution for you. It's the ThinkPad SL500. It's right here, and we're going to show you all about it right now. Check it out, the Lenovo ThinkPad SL500. It has a bit of an identity issue, right? Because while it is definitely a solid notebook for business stuff, you know, stuffy spreadsheets and all that, it's also an extremely flexible machine that has nice video out options, a good size, a fast processor. So it's going to be able to work in almost any way you need it to, and it's going to do it all with that, high quality that Lenovo is known for with their ThinkPad series. This one has a Core 2 Duo 2.26 gigahertz processor under the hood, P7570 if you want to know specifically which processor that is. 3 gigs of RAM. It is preloaded with Windows XP Professional, 320 gigabyte hard drive. It has a DVD-RW drive, so you can very easily archive all of your data, burn movies, burn CDs, whatever you want to burn, you can burn it with this, except for maybe Blu-rays. You can't burn those. But everything else, pretty much, you can burn. He's got 15.4-inch matte display here. So if you have a problem with glossy displays, if you don't like seeing reflections in your display, you're not going to have that issue with this particular display. It does run at a nice 1280 by 800 resolution, and it's powered by the Intel 4 Series graphics processor. Now, it does have Bluetooth, so you're not going to have any problem syncing this with your phone or with any of your other Bluetooth devices, be it keyboards, mice, wireless headphones. All that stuff is going to work no problem with the built-in Bluetooth that is on board. AG&N wireless gigabit Ethernet, so if you have access to a gigabit Ethernet network, you're going to be able to blaze. It does have fingerprint security built in, so you're going to be able to ensure that no one else can get to your data. And it does have nice expansion options, especially with the Express 54 slot that is on this thing. So it does have a very long list of features, so you can see that it's probably going to be able to handle just about any situation you throw at it. You also have the webcam integrated right up here, which is perfect for doing all your video chats, or if you're a business person, a business video chat. Down here, of course, is where you're going to find that nice big 15.4-inch matte display running at 1280 by 800. Below that is the speaker bar, which is where the speakers are contained. It's not where the speakers get together to drink. Oh, give it to me, rim shot. Thank you very much. Right down here is where you're going to find that classic Lenovo ThinkPad pointer. I call it the nubbin. I don't know if that's actually the technical term for it, but don't look at me like that. You have a dirty mind. It's a nubbin is all it is, or a touch device. Well, you know the technical term for this thing, eraser head thing, But it's awesome. If you're used to using one of these, the chances are that you might not purchase a notebook without one because they are actually incredibly easy to use to move your pointing device around. But if you're not comfortable with the nubbin, you can always use the touchpad that's right there below it as well. So you've got nubbin and touchpad right here on this Lenovo ThinkPad. It's all about options for you when you're using this thing. And then over to the right here is where you're going to find your fingerprint reader so that if you want to lock this thing down biometrically, you can do that with your fingerprint. Now, up on the front, you do have a switch to turn your wireless on and off, as well as some status lights right along the front as well for your Bluetooth, tell you it's asleep, tell you what's going on with the battery, for your wireless status. That's all right over there. When we turn around to the left-hand side, you're going to find that we do have a FireWire port here. So it's going to be good for editing your videos if you have a FireWire video camera. SD card slot located right here. And then as we move down here, you're going to find a couple of USB slots and an HDMI port, making it real easy to hook this thing up to modern big screen displays and to modern projectors with HDMI input, which also carries the audio signal as well. So you only have to hook up one cable to be able to use this computer with your entire home theater system. On the back, you're going to find the old standard VGA port, which you'll probably need quite often if you are a business user. And over on the other side, you simply find the power port for your power adapter. Now over here on the right-hand side, this is where you're going to find your headphones, your microphone, a couple of USB ports in addition to the ones on the other side, and an Express 54 slot, which is perfect for 3G cards, video capture cards, TV tuner cards, any kind of thing that ends with card and fits in an Express 54 slot will be perfect for that right there. You also have your DVD-RW drive located right here, and your gigabit Ethernet and integrated modem located back here. There you have it. It's a really, really nice notebook, and it's priced quite well, and it's a ThinkPad, and you know that ThinkPads are going to treat you very well. They've got great warranties, great build quality. People that use Lenovo's swear by them, and there's a reason for that because they are extremely high-quality notebooks. So if you want something that's going to be able to do very well for work, very well for play, everything in between, the ThinkPad SL500 is right here, and it's just waiting for you to pick it up, take it home. To get more info on the ThinkPad SL500 with a Core 2 Duo processor and 15.4-inch screen, go to any of the retailers you see up on the screen right now and type in T71-15419. For Computer TV, I'm Bauer.